Morning, gentlemen. Jim Tracy, Land Use Council for Federal Materials. I want to begin by endorsing Mr. Tiersch's comments, and also, I'm sorry, Mr. Broder's left, endorse his comments regarding the critical area ordinance. These issues have been brought to you before. They're nothing new. You were informed of them by the Citizens Committee on the critical area ordinance, the abuse of staff discretion, the ambiguities and paradoxes and contradictions in the critical area ordinance that you adopted. You did it anyway. It's been appealed. Unfortunately, not all of Mr. Broder's issues made it to appeal because there were some bigger issues that needed to be concentrated on. But I wish I could tell Mr. Broders in public to stand fast. You'll get another chance to work on the critical area ordinance when it comes back. Now, I read with great interest, Commissioner Sullivan, your latest campaign circular. One of the major disappointments of my adult life was when the court endorsed the proposition that you can lie in politics. And you apparently read that decision, because you put, among other things in that circular, the fact that you ensured a fair and open process for the Fred Hill Materials Impact Statement. You had nothing to do with it. What you did do was undercut your own staff, who are legally required and responsible for making those decisions, and you gave a mistaken impression to the public that in fact your own code could be circumvented by your decisions. Now, I'd be happy to debate this issue with you in public, in front of any audience you choose, but even though the court says you can lie in politics, I really don't think it's a good idea, particularly when the record is so clear your own ordinances prevent you from involving yourself in the operation of a quasi-judicial application. This board, by your own law, has delegated all administrative functions to the county administrator, not to you. So possibly one of the things you might want to put on your work program, if you are in fact reelected, and the truth does not matter in these campaigns, you might try to define the word delegate. What does that mean? Does that mean whenever you wish, whenever the commissioners wish, whenever some citizen who has your ear comes in and says, I want you to do this or that, you simply respond to that without looking at your own laws? Maybe that's what it means in Jefferson County. But if it does, I'd like to see it put in writing so that it can be challenged. Thank you.